Related to the NEET JEE exams, and sources are telling us that the exams will take place as per the schedule. The government in fact is complying with the Supreme Court observation, and sources also are telling us that the postponement or the demand to postpone the exams is not justified. That's what we're picking up. Careers cannot be put in peril is the stand being taken at this point in time on the demand which is coming in for a postponement of the NEET and JEE exams. This is what we're picking up. This is what the sources are telling us, that the government stand is that this is a pandemic situation, but life has to go on and the career of the students cannot be put on peril for long, and full academic year cannot be wasted. And keeping this in mind, we are being told that it has been decided that the exams will take place as per schedule. Our special correspondent Aditi is joining us with more details of the government, or rather sources within the government informing us that the demand of postponement is not justified as the stand, and that the exams will take place as per the schedule.
Absolutely. In fact, there has been a rising number of people who have come out against the decision of the government to hold the NET JEE examinations in the first week of September. However, sources within the government of India are saying that there seems to be no reason as to why there should be a further postponement in the examinations. What they're also saying is that most of the students have already downloaded their admit card, which means that they are willing to go for the examination. There is a handful of students who have asked for a change in the city of from where they would want to be giving the examination. The government is also very clear about the fact that the norms as per the Ministry of Health and Welfare will be followed, which means that there will be social distancing, which means that sanitization will take place of each and every student before he or she enters the examination center or examination hall. They will also be provided with masks and gloves to write the examination. And the government also feels that at this juncture, it is not necessary to put life on hold and put the careers of lakhs of students in the country on hold due to the pandemic. Enough precautions will be taken, so no need whatsoever to postpone the examinations further.
Right. Aditi, thank you very much for joining us with those details. And